really encourage you to get familiar and keep working on all the classes, on getting some of the script down, because this is really how you write Hebrew. So if you have the hopes one day of writing things in Hebrew, this is the way you do it. But I know before you get there, it's important to be able to read, and all the reading is in the traditional block in the scriptures, and for the most part in newspapers and whatnot as well.
So on this handout here,
Yes.
the script is on the top.
The script is on the top,
And
the block letters are on the bottom.
And they're the same letter inside of the block.
Yes. And if you go to the one page that has the Paleo Hebrew on there, that's really filled with all the details, all the letters are noted from top to bottom, all the way to the end.
And it tells you, the sounds of them.
Yes.
In their meaning.
And in the other page that has the nikud marks, the vowel marks, will tell you how to pronounce all of the vowel points.
So you're saying then if you write it, today it's more of a script?
It's all in script, yeah.
It's always script. So then, why does it so much, and what then, I seem to see it a lot in block also.
That's in things that are published. But if someone is writing like a letter to someone in Hebrew, they'll write in script.
Oh, I get it.
It's all in script, yeah.
So if it's in script, then are they joined together? Is there something that links each letter? Like we have our cursive writing.
That's exactly right.
This is, well, they're not connected. Are you talking about the literal connection between the
Right.
letters?
No. But there are two different, they look different.
Yes, they look different.
But they're the same one.
Okay.
I think Margaret was talking about like in cursive, how we connect all the letters.
Yeah.
Not in Hebrew. This is really almost the cursive, the way we see cursive to our traditional letters. The script is the cursive for the Hebrew block letters, but minus the connections. So we have halach, we have halakha, and then we have bleat. I'll put the dagesh in the middle there. That's what separates the bet, which is a f sound, from the bet. Vesh, little rounded vesh, just like the hay. The curved yud and the curved tav. So those 8 letters that make up halakha and bleat are all on there. And you can come up here and doodle if you'd like. But I really encourage you to become familiar with those words and to be able to write it in Hebrew or to block in script. And if you have any questions, I have more than willing to discuss those things with you, and we can play around a little bit with that. But it's really fun to be able to write Hebrew words and to be able to read them. And the nikud, which are the vowel marks, really enable you. In fact, they're really called training wheels, I think. They're the training wheels. And after the more acclimated you get to the Hebrew, the more able you are over time to read without vowel marks, without nikud. But the vowel marks are great tools, I like training wheels. Training wheels are great. Nobody likes to get those kicked off of your bike, But, so it's a wonderful thing. And, I hope that in some way this can be of assistance and we can kind of travel down this road together.